Hey guys, just a quick demo walkthrough of the actual dashboard that we didn't get a chance to go over during the call earlier. But effectively, you would have access to something like this. It's basically a dashboard where you can manage all your equipment management needs globally in one place, right? Here on the left, you can set up team members by either geography or by function. But let's say you have a team in Mexico. So every time that you hire a team member in Mexico, you have to do is just click here, add the employee information and the start date so that we know when do we need to deliver devices by. And that new team member will have been added to the team that you created here. Once that you do that, you will select the team member that you just added, and you will assign the equipment that they need in that country. In the onboarding process, we actually get the equipment specs for each single country, as we mentioned during that conversation, and we create your catalog. So only those devices that your company needs are available for that country, for those team members that you bring on board in those countries. You just select equipment, assign it to the team member, and you check out. Once you do that, we will dispatch the devices the same day or the following day, assuming that the devices are in our warehouse, right? That's for the onboarding. For the offboarding, whenever a team member leaves, all you have to do is select that team member, click here, and select offboarding. Once you do that, and you confirm, our operations team in that country will receive a notification and will reach out to the end user to schedule a pickup time and recover the devices. Once that we receive the devices in our warehouse, the devices are fully inspected. We make sure that everything works properly. If we need to wipe them, we will take care of that, and then we'll put them back in your inventory pool. In this section of inventory management is where you will see all the devices that you have deployed worldwide. You will be able to track, you will be able to know where are they located, in what conditions they are, how old they are, and a number of other data points that you might be interested in keeping track of, right? If you want to assign equipment that you have in, let's say in Mexico, let's say here in China, right? You have a team member in China, in the case of this example, all you have to do is select that device and assign it to a team member whose name would appear here once that you add them on the left side, and the start date so that we know when do we need to deliver that device, right? You can filter it here by a number of options. How many do you have in inventory, active, offboarding, repairs, maintenance, etc. All that you can track in one place, right? And so that's effectively how you can keep track of your inventory. If you need to purchase equipment in advance to ensure that devices are in storage in the country where you need them so that you can use them whenever you need to, all you have to do is click here and you can begin purchasing equipment that you need in the country where you need it. If you want us to take over management of existing devices, all you have to do is upload a CSV file of all the devices that are currently deployed, or you can add one by one manually here, right? You have access to a notification center. You can notify. Basically, you can customize so that you receive only the notifications that you want to be notified about via email or through the dashboard, right? So you're not getting bombarded by a bunch of notifications. That's something that you can customize. You can add multiple managers to have a permission to onboard and offboard team members, and you have 24/7 support, right? That's in a nutshell what the platform does. It really lets you automate all your equipment management needs in one place. We also have API documentation for everything you see here, so we can actually work in integrations to automate these workflows that you have internally. We can connect to an HRIS that you have so that the moment that at some point if somebody gets hired or let go to that platform through the HRIS that you're using, we will know automatically when do we need to deliver or recover devices, among other things that we can do through the platform. So that's in a nutshell. Please let us know if you have any additional questions. Thank you very much.